Hi, I'm Dr. Shenik, consultant dermatologist and hair transplant surgeon, New Roads Clinic, Bandra. So today we'll be discussing about the journey of one of our very dear patient, Mr. Yogesh. He's from Mumbai. So let me explain about his journey, how it was since his time of the baldness. So Yogesh, आपको कब से तकलीफ था कि baldness हो रहा था, hair loss हो रहा था?
So मेरा baldness start हुआ थोड़ा baldness start हुआ when I was at 30. Now I'm at 40. But last 5 years it was very high. So during the 2018-19, the baldness grade was close to grade 3, grade 4. Now in the month of 2023 actually, it was around grade 5. So then I thought to go for a hair transplant.
So उससे पहले आपने कुछ ट्रीटमेंट्स कराया, कहीं पे दिखाया?
उससे पहले बहुत से ट्रीटमेंट करवाया था. बेसिकली शैम्पू चेंज करके देखे, थोड़ा वो लेप वगैरह जो लगाना रहता है वो देखा, हेयर वॉश, डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स यूज़ किए, लोशंस वगैरह यूज़ किया, बट आई थिंक वो कुछ बेनिफिट नहीं आया.
देन न्यू रूट्स के बारे में आपको किसने?
सो मेरा एक फ्रेंड है, he has done his hair transplant year. उसने 2022 में किया था. तो 6-8 महीने बाद मैंने जब उसके मिला तो उसका अच्छा ग्रोथ था, तो he suggested and said कि यहाँ पे होता है, तो then I consulted.
So once he decided to undergo transplant from our clinic, how was the process?
Well, it was a different journey altogether. I didn't know about hair transplant is such a successful thing, but now after 8 months of my hair transplantation, I believe that the journey was good and the decision was good.
So friends, we can see the result by the end of 8 months. You can also see the density, how natural it is. The hairline, you can see the micro and macro irregularities, so that it looks very natural. See, this is how the transplant and the hairs appear. Looks very natural. So after the transplant now, how is your confidence?
No, it gave me a good amount of confidence. Actually, earlier it was complete half bald kind of situation. And being in the marketing, the presentability and presentation is important. When you go for a meetings, you go for in office or in private functions, family functions. So it was important for me to have proper hairline, hair growth. So it was overall a good decision, and I thank the new roots that it gave me that opportunity to have confidence.
Or people able to have people in a family able to recognize you.
Yeah,
after like 8 months.
Actually, after I went 6 months. So I did not tell a lot of people. Only my close family knew that I was going for a hair transplant. But when I met my friends, and after 6-8 months, they could not recognize first of all, and they didn't see something is changed in you. So then they realized, okay, you did a hair transplantation. So a lot of my friends are now asking the people who are now bald or semi-bald, they are asking me they would also go for a hair transplant.